everyone, it's Charlotte. Today on Maker's Moments, we will be teaching you how to identify the ideal candle flame height. When we talk about having the ideal flame height, what we're really talking about is having the correct size wick for your particular candle. The American Society for Testing and Materials standard for an indoor candle is a 3-inch maximum flame height. However, if your candles are going to be required to go through safety testing by a large corporate customer, chances are it will be required to be lower. 3 inches is a large flame that can smoke and will burn too hot, resulting in a dangerous safety hazard. In order to determine the appropriate flame height for your wooden wick candle, you will first want to determine the right wick. With a wooden wick, the goal is to have a full melt pool that is 0.5 inches deep at about 2 to 3 hours, sometimes up to 4 hours for candles made with soy wax. If you are achieving a full melt pool before that, or your candle is smoking, then it is likely that your flame is too large, and you will want to test the next wick size down in thickness. On the other hand, if your flame is too small, you will most likely not achieve a full melt pool within 2 to 4 hours, let alone ever, and will result in tunneling. An ideal flame height is achieved by having the right size wick thickness and width for the vessel size and wax blend, and will vary based on these factors. A safe flame height won't smoke and will achieve a full melt pool in 2 to 4 hours that is about 0.5 inches deep. This typically falls between ½ an inch to 2 inches in height. To find the perfect wick for your candle, begin by burn testing with a wick sample kit from the Wooden Wick Co. Then reference the wick selection guide at woodenwick.com for our recommendations on which wicks to begin testing with. We've included these links for you below. Ready to put your newfound knowledge into practice? Make sure to subscribe to stay in the know on all the latest makers, tips, and tricks. See you next time on Maker's Moments. Happy making!